It's go so f***ing crazy. Wow! Hello guys and welcome to the trip to Palma de Mallorca and Warsaw. To get to Palma de Mallorca we had to have a flight from another city and we took a bus to get there in the early morning. Now let's talk about Palma de Mallorca. Palma de Mallorca is a western Mediterranean island belonging to the Balearic Islands archipelago. Palma is a major city and seaport located in the southwest of Mallorca. The name of the island comes from an old Latin phrase, insula major, that means larger island, as Mallorca is the largest island in all of Spain. Gradually, the phrase was mispronounced and the island became known as Mallorca. The island enjoys a Mediterranean climate with a year-round average temperature of 21 Celsius degrees on the coast and an average of more than 300 days of sunshine throughout the year. I don't know why I filmed so much content vertically and not horizontally in this trip. I really don't know, I don't have an answer for that. Probably I was thinking about doing TikTok vlogs and stuff, but as you see, I figured out that I didn't film enough horizontal videos, so I'm gonna use my vertical videos, so don't be mad at me. Mallorca is really good for calm and relaxing vacation. If you want to sunbath, swim in azure water, it's perfect for that. But also you can find some tourist attractions to visit. For example, in Palma, as I said before, in the capital of Palma de Mallorca. I will show you some of them and share my opinion and recommendations about visiting these places. The place that you have seen before and seen right now is the Royal Palace of La Almudaina, which dates back to the 14th century. It's the official residence of the king and queen during their stays in Mallorca. Together with the Cathedral of Palma, it's a landmark of the capital of the Balearic Islands. The palace reflects the artistic styles that have succeeded each other throughout the history of the island. As you understood, it's located really close to the Catedral de Santa Maria de Mallorca, a really famous cathedral of Mallorca, which was built between 1229 and 1346. It's a vast cathedral built on a previous mosque which was built atop an original Christian church. Although construction of the present cathedral began in 1229, it did not finish until 1601. Catalan architect Antoni Gaudi was drafted to restore the building in 1901. Moreover, if you're an international student with IC card, you can get a discount for tickets, so don't forget your IC. If I remember correctly, we spent one day in Palma walking around the city because usually we were living in another city and just sunbathing and enjoying our time there. But I definitely recommend to visit Palma and its old city, where you will be able to find a lot of interesting places and restaurants. The old city is usually compared to Florence due to architecture. Furthermore, Palma de Mallorca is twinned with Portofino, Alghero, and Naples in Italy. Let me introduce you several more tourist attractions which you can visit. First of all, Piazza di Spagna, which we probably missed because I don't remember anything about it. Second of all, Belver Castle. I'm not sure if I pronounce it well, but it's a Gothic-style castle on a hill 3 kilometers to the west of the center of Palma. And one more place you can visit in Mallorca is the Caves del Drac, or Dragon's Caves. It's located on the east coast of the island. And it's a cave system with 4 great caves and shimmering underground lakes. Our next stop was Valdemosa, is a village and municipality on the island of Mallorca. Moreover, Chopin was living there for some years and writing his works. This village is located in the mountains, and to get there we had to use a car. I don't know if there are any transport which goes there. If you will go to Valdemossa one day, you can check it. If you ever visit Valdemossa, you must try their ice cream. They have special and really tasty ice cream, especially one with mandarin. Let me tell you one more interesting fact about Mallorca. The island has been inhabited by humans since 7000 BC. Due to its significant geographic location in the middle of the Mediterranean, many armies have attempted to invade Mallorca. In 123 BC, the Romans claimed the island. The most famous invasion was that of King Jaime of Aragon in 1229, which was the start of the creation of Mallorca as we know it today. So I have this interesting habit that I go to McDonald's in every country I'm visiting, and unfortunately I did not like the McDonald's in Palma de Mallorca because the burger was really dry. The view is gorgeous, just majestic. But it's hot, really hot. You can see it on my face. We went to see a sunset. Literally the corner near the sea, and here you can feel the strands of the sea, and it just, makes you feel a lot of emotions, and it's really thought-provoking. Oh my god, I love this place. I want to return back here, seriously. I was surprised to see so many people coming there to see the sunset near the sea. It's interesting because nowadays, during this age of technologies, people still care about such simple things like sunsets. And some of them were having picnic there or they were just sitting alone and looking at the sun going down. It was amazing. And you know, these little things, they make the life more valuable. It's so warm and nice now. I'm in love with this island, I'm seriously. Probably the most memorable memory I had in Palma de Mallorca was swimming under the water with this huge face mask and seeing all the fishes around you. You really feel like a mermaid there, and I really, really loved it. I cut at my leg because of the rocks. Yeah. But look at the view. The view, guys. I don't want to say goodbye to this place. I'm in love with this place. On our last day, we had our dinner, some pasta, and we had our flight to Warsaw at night. So on the next day, we were already in Warsaw. So we visited a really nice cafe for a breakfast where you can choose several options and pay only for this set of options. And the set usually contains 3 dishes, if I remember correctly. But unfortunately, I heard that right now this cafe is not the best one. I'm not sure, haven't tried it since last summer, but if I will be in Poland soon, you will definitely know about it and you will definitely know if this place is good or no. So you can also check it out, but I cannot promise you that it will be nice. Also, we had a small problem when I told the waitress that I'm allergic to nuts, and the waitress said that the dish will be without nuts, but they still brought the dish with nuts, and we had to ask them again to replace it somehow. So it wasn't that nice, even at that time, but at least the food were nice. So I don't know what's going on there now. If you have never been in Poland, I definitely recommend you visit Poland, especially in summer, because it's absolutely amazing. I think every city is absolutely amazing during summertime, but in Poland, you'll definitely rest and have fun because it's a really nice country, nice city like Warsaw. You can find a lot of interesting things going on and on. We somehow managed to see the wedding in the church. I don't know, it was so random. We just decided to see the church inside. We came in and then we see a real wedding going on there. But in general, guys, you should visit Eastern Europe, not only Western but also Eastern Europe. I think you will like these places.
Miłosierny jest nami łaskawy, nieskłonny do gniewu.
Unfortunately, the Eastern Europe is usually underestimated, and I don't know why, because it's really nice places and it's usually cheaper than Western Europe, but only now, I guess, young people and travelers start to look at the Eastern Europe like a travel destination. Before it wasn't that popular. So it's a pleasure to see so many international people speaking different languages in Eastern Europe because it's a really nice countries with a huge and rich history and heritage which should be explored. And I hope you're also going to plan your trip to Eastern Europe. And if you do, please comment down below, tell me where you're going or where you would like to go. And maybe you can ask for some places you should visit. Maybe I've been in these countries, maybe not. Also, you can recommend your countries and your cities which I should visit. Let's make like a small tour because it will be interesting for me to see where you're from or which countries and cities you really liked, where you traveled. And yeah, maybe I will make a video in this country and maybe we will meet each other there, so who knows? We've been in Bond only for 2 days, if I remember correctly, but it was a really nice time and we visited a lot of places. Usually we were just walking around the city and in the old town, but in general I definitely recommend it and I'd love to repeat this trip one day. Yeah, thank you for watching. See you in another video. Bye!